What's up guys, my name is Bailey, and if you guys have not seen any of my content before, I just wanted to say welcome. My channel is all about my entrepreneurial journey on what I've done in the past, what I'm currently doing, and what I'll be doing in the future to earn extra income. I'm currently doing dropshipping on eBay, reselling on StockX, Goat, and eBay, and I'm also doing affiliate marketing with Amazon. On this video, I will be going over my 1 month challenge of my earnings for my reselling business with StockX specifically. On StockX, you resell shoes. I've been buying shoes at retail price or clearance price at the Nike factory store. I've been buying them and reselling them either instantly or holding onto the shoes for a week or two to flip them for more. I've seen this content on YouTube before. A lot of people enjoyed it, and I hope that this video can inspire those who are trying to get into the reselling business or even the sneaker business. This business is really lucrative. You can make a lot of money from it, and with my earnings with 1 month, you guys can see how much you can potentially earn, and you can definitely scale this business to make 10x of what I'm making. Without any further ado, let's jump into the earnings. I'm gonna go ahead and pull up my iPhone screen onto the screen right here so you guys can follow along as to how much I've grossed on StockX. So on StockX, in the history section, this is between April 16th, 2019 to May 29th, 2019. Now, some of you guys might say, this isn't a 1 month challenge, it's actually over 1 month, and you're correct. It is over 1 month, but the way that I saw it was that I actually went on vacation during May, so I went between May 14th through May 24th. So if you take out those days, it actually becomes a little bit over 1 month by like a day or two. So in my opinion, I still think this qualifies as a 1 month challenge, even though that the dates show that it's over just because I went on vacation for a week and a half. So I hope those of you who are hating understand the reason why I'm making this video. It's for those who don't go on vacation and can flip constantly for 1 month. You can make profits just like what I've made. So in StockX, you guys can see that I've sold a lot of shoes from KD 11s to Kobe ADs to Jordan Retros, Air Force Ones, and so on and so forth. There's a lot of types of shoes that I sell, and a lot of them are repeats because I found that these shoes sell really well. So I've been buying a lot of them, either to instantly sell or to hold on to them and sell within a week or two. Most of these shoes that I've sold are instant sales. That just means that when someone places an offer on a shoe, so let's say they wanted a size 14 of a Jordan 11, they will go ahead and say that they'll pay 200 bucks for it. So when I go to the Nike store and I find that that Jordan 11 shoe is selling for 100 bucks plus $10 for tax, I will definitely pick up that shoe and sell it instantly before I even check out, so I can go into StockX and confirm that order. And if it confirms and everything goes in correctly and smoothly, I will go ahead and look at the shoe and buy that shoe right there at the store. And then at that time, I will go ahead and box up that shoe, tape it up, and take it to the UPS store for an instant flip. There are, however, some of these shoes that I have earned more profits from by holding onto them. As you guys know, in my previous video, I've uploaded some content on how to sell on StockX, and I've told you guys what shoes that I've bought to hold on to. They're specifically the KD 11s that are the Ant Pearls. Now, I did sell some of these instantly, but I wanted to do a trial run to see if these shoes sell within a week or two for a higher price tag, and they did. I sold almost all my shoes except for one pair. So if you guys find these shoes, go ahead and pick them up as long as the price is right and flip them for much more. On the right side, you'll see all the prices for all the shoes. The first shoe that I flipped is an Air Huarache Drift, the triple white version, and I flipped it for $80. I bought this shoe, I believe it was for $40 or $39 at my local Nike factory store. So I made about $20 to $30 profits after all the fees on StockX. I'm not gonna go ahead and list off all the prices and all the profits that I've made, but I'm gonna go ahead and scroll through it for you guys so you guys can see what I've sold it for. And the dates that I've sold it for. So as you guys see, I did a lot of sourcing these specific days. If you guys can go to different Nike factory stores within the same day, you can definitely source a lot more shoes and increase your inventory to resell more, to make more money than what I'm showing right here. On the very bottom, it shows all my stats. It shows that I have 39 completed sales. I also have a 100% pass authentication. That just means that every shoe that I sent in, it has passed for authentication, so they weren't fakes, they weren't dirty, or anything like that. Keep in mind that I do have 1 pair of shoes that are coming back to me. They did state that they won't charge me the fee, but they did charge me the shipping fee to get returned back to me. And I did account for all this and all my fees and everything. And my passing authentication number stays at 100% because StockX sees that I have a really good track record and they didn't want to lower my authentication rate. So if you sell on StockX and you're a great seller, StockX might work with you if the shoes are bad. And I will go ahead and post a video once that shoe arrives for those of you who want to find out what you should do once you get those dirty shoes back, or the shoes that did not pass for authentication. And also on the very bottom, it shows your sales. So I've grossed $5,126 worth of shoes on StockX only. So this is not accounting for what I sold on eBay, what I've sold on GOAT, or any other platforms. This is only for StockX, and the profits on that are about 20%. So 20% of $5,000 is $1,000. That's right, guys. I have profited about $1,000 on StockX within 1 month of flipping. Now, the reason why I wanted to make this video is to show you guys how powerful StockX can be for reselling shoes. I've only focused on selling shoes on StockX because these are much easier to sell than it is to buy a Louis Vuitton bag or a Supreme bag, because there are a lot of fakes out there. It's really hard to get your hand on these types of items, and they're really expensive. Shoes, however, they can range, so you're able to buy whatever your budget allows you to buy. I've been buying $100 shoes, $150 shoes. Sometimes I've been buying $20 shoes when they're on a great deal. So those of you who are looking to get into this business, just make sure that you spend what your budget allows you to spend. I haven't invested $1 into this business. I've been reselling shoes instantly and taking those profits and putting them back into the company to use those profits to resell again. So if you guys have some cash to put down to resell, you guys can definitely grow this business much larger and much faster than what I've done. I'm gonna continue growing my reselling business as well as all my other businesses. If you guys want, I can post my earnings on other applications like GOAT or even eBay. In the future, I will be posting some content in regards to what I've made from dropshipping. Keep in mind that this is 1 month worth of profits with $0 invested into the company. So if you guys had money, invest that money, and you guys can definitely 10x this business. Now, all the profits are on the front end. And what I mean by this is these are the profits that you make directly from the flips. I've also been making money on the back end as well through cashback credit cards. So every time I make a purchase, I will be buying with my credit card, and my credit card has a 2% cashback rewards. So I'll get 2% back off of everything that I spend at Nike. And I also have apps that link my credit cards that also give me an additional 2% back, which is through a point system, and it gives me back gift cards to Amazon or even to the Nike store to use those gift cards to buy more shoes. And I've already posted a video on that content, on what types of apps that I use to earn cash back or what apps I use to make more money. and I will go ahead and link that video down below for you guys if you guys are interested. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys have any questions at all, drop it in the comment section down below and I'll get back to you. I want to grow this reselling community so that we can help each other out. I am very interested as to what you've sold and how much profits you've made on all your shoes, or what's the most profit you made on the type of shoe that you sold. I want you guys to talk to each other and let each other know what shoe is good to buy, so that if you run out of inventory at your Nike store, you can tell someone else to look for that specific shoe at their Nike store and they can find that shoe and flip it for profits. If you guys want to follow my journey, I'll be posting a lot of content on how to earn more passive income, earn more income in general, and also everything I've done in the past, my current, and what I'll do in the future. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you guys don't miss a video. That is all I have for you guys in this video, and I will catch you guys all in the next one. Peace.